So guys, today we are playing a battle game, and this is our first time playing. Hopefully we're not bad at this. So yeah. We just learned how to shot. This is how to reload. What is this? Oh, that's how to snipe. That's how to move. And look at this. Shoot. Oh, a grenade. Jump button. Wait, it says we have to get in the robot. This is how we fight robots. What? I can't move. Let me. Oh. Equipment. Yes. Okay. Back to battle. Oh, we're battling, guys. We're battling. Hey. Battle. I'm going to battle. We have a team. Yeah, don't hurt it. Enemies that has blue red triangles. The blue triangles are teammates. Ow, I'm getting hits. What? They're getting critical hits? Where's the ants? I just kill an enemy. Ow. This thing second kill. You're done? Sure. Come here, Connie. Connie just got killed by me. I'm picking up his blaster. Yeah, boy. Titan ready. Ow! That hurts. Claire, come here. Pew, pew. Come here, Kai. Tia, come here. That's similar to our friends. Yes, who won? Your team won. Yes, we won, guys, we won. Wait, we won? Yeah. Wait, my name is Player. Am I the best player? Dude, because I was the best. What? Guys, where's that grenade? Did you play this? Yeah. Did you play this before, man? Yes. That means I'm changing my name, bro. Chest. Okay. Okay, I'm getting the road. Changing the road. Okay. How do we get? Chat to open. So bad. Here we go. Tutorial. Okay. Controls, game, graphics, sounds, language. I can't change my name. Oh wait, I have to change it. Let's do vehicle pattern. Plane. Wave. Train.
comes next? Yes. Truck.
Yes. Yes.
Great job. Say go, and the ball will go down the ramp.
Purple name tag, and I have to change my name into my own name. Kcastiel, and I have to add a custom name. And so bloxtv. That's your Roblox name. Yes. Yeah, boy. It's time to bow. Wait, Kcastiel's about to bow. Good luck, boy. Go, go, go. Come here, Liddy. Larry just got destroyed.
Yes, this one. Which train is destroyed?
So,
Great job.
can I go off? What's this? That is Ghostbusters' son. Is this Ghostbusters area? Get out, boy! Says no ghosts. What? Double kill. I'm killing you, boy. Yes, I got a. I'm changing kit into. I can't change my kit. Titan ready. I'm getting him, boy. Wait, what? Still bring his Titan, bro. Bro, so strong now. I'm a Titanic, bro. So it's a Titanic. Can't even fit in the door. The next level. Yes, I can. It's another door that's big. The enemies, yes. You didn't see the enemies? What they at? Well, I'm fast now. Just click a button. I want ability. Go! One shot by the robot. What? You one shot by that robot? That guy just got sniped. You snipe him. You snipe a guy. Never what they say. Don't mess with a Titan. Boing! I just saw Kcastiel just killed him. It says I am the best player, dude.
Number of the day 69. Number of the day.
I'm going home, boy. Exit to lot. Alright.
Number of the day.
I am upgrading some weapons, boy. Oh, nah. Guys, what? I'm fighting one of our friends. Me too. That means we're fighting each other. Okay. Equipment. require use this weapon.
We steer the ship. Steer the ship. Steer the ship.
I'm using a sniper rifle for this one, boy. I got a new weapon as a reward. What? Because it was gonna be creepy. So bad. Oh, you got. I just saw it spawn. What is that weapon he's holding? The new weapon. It's a sniper, boy. Long shots. I just saw Katoon died. Long shot. Got a double kill. Hey, long shot again. Players attack me. Yeah, boy. Turret death. Yo, triple kill. Cause I was triple killing. Boink. Which team are you guys? I'm team blue. I'm team red. Did I just shot the players easy? Task complete. Kill players. I'm just pouring. I just got multi-kill. I got multi-kill. What? Back up here.
Ayusin mo yung unan mo, Chen. Tunga-tunga mo po ka na. Yan, mo ka ngayon.
Yes! Snipe! I wasn't looking in that. I thought I was killing someone. What? My Titan's up with it. My Titan. Take that, boy. Shield. Shield. Yo, I just snapped his butt. What? Nope. Am I in the jacket? What? Hey, I won. Your team won, your team won. So bloxtv is the best player. What?
Dito muna kayo sa gilid, uy. Sige, dito ka matatapos na.
Dude, I got a lot of shots. So that's how you win. So we have to get a lot of shots. I'm replacing you guys. Don't do it. Huh. This is gonna be fun. Is it starting? Oh, it's starting now. I don't wanna. Yes. Cancel. Yep. Secondary weapon. Guys, track. We rent. Oh, VIP money. What? VIP money? Yep, I'm gonna buy this for VIP star pack. Oh, okay. VIP star pack. I'm getting this star pack, boy.
Diamond.
Buy the weapon real quick. So it's never gone. Oh, upgrade. A grenade launcher.
306.
I found a grenade launcher category.
306.
Oh.
Yes, I got it right. It's a Jupiter. I got it right.
Alright, I'm going to battle, boy.
Deployed nucleic acid.
Ow!
Diba? The accelerated nucleic acid. What's the
Battle.
only even number?
Got a new weapon.
It's 6.
What?
It's 2.
So keep on getting new weapon. How many wins?
H2O. Yeah, I got it right.
Come here. Come here. Come here, you two. This is a shot! I should have exchanged kits.
Saan ayaw?
Boy! Yes! Assist! I'm gonna change kit. Headshot! Headshot does a lot of damage. Come here, Stella. Stella is weak.
Got it.
Ouch! Something hurt. Something hurt my head. Just get in here. My Titan is ready, and give me my Titan. Yeah, boy. Shoot a shot. Double kill. Dude, I'm killing a lot. I'm probably the best combo. I'm catching up to Stella. Where's our Barry? Come here, Barry. Can I begin? I can't fit, bruh. Get out of robot mode. Is that why you're going down? Take that, boy. Dude, as soon as kill Stella easy. I won. Never underestimated. Dude, I got a lot of shots. I think the robot is broken. I think so. Let me try. I never tried a robot. The robot is broken. It's insane. That's probably a good point.
Baby shark. Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Daddy shark. Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark.
Alright, this is nice weapon. What? That's a nice weapon set? Dude, I want a weapon set. I'm going to get a sniper. Cause that's a sniper again. Just give me up. It's all going up. Yeah, the best way to use this is getting up. Yeah, I got up. I'm gonna door. Kill, I got a kill. Dude, head shot. Headshot. Headshot. Where's that my robot? Yep. Yes, I'm yapping, I'm yapping, I'm yapping. I'm thinking of putting to this house. My change. This map looks like Danger. Who's Danger? Danger. Wait, I know that guy. How do I get to 13s? What? No. So I can't go this way. I'm going the other way. Am I stuck? Bro. Am I not sleeping or something? Ow. Ow. Assist. Where are the enemies? Dude, where are they? They'll probably come from this way. What? What did you say?
Bangun, Chin.
No, I'm not falling for that. It's gonna make me sad. What? Poop. What poop? No. Anti-Satan rocket launcher. It was not a reward. What? I thought I got a grenade launcher reward, but no. Just unlocked for me. A Chinatown team get me. I choose Scar. What do I not do Scar? I will just choose Scar but I'd rather Scar ever. Are you talking about? I have to switch weapon now. What? Come here, player. What? I just have to go behind player. Come here! I've just found them. Yes. I need to perfect snipe it. Yo! Headshot! Double kill. Long shot. I probably got a triple. Yes. Yes. Why did he not die? I literally just shot him with sniper with one. That's the first. Robot real quick. Just give me a robot. I'm just making them from elsewhere. What? Twitter keeps on. Player is not. I'm in. Glitch. I'm not throwing from the team. What? This was not throwing. My screen just broke. My screen is almost broken. What? The screen has sweatings on it. Orange sweatings. Oh, I'm in danger. I'm in danger. Get out, get out, get out. Yeah! Clutch, I clutch. Oh my gosh! He just going in front of me. I didn't even see it. But dude, that was insane. Can't believe Pursuers beat them. But maximum armor. Fine armor, yep. Where are we at? Where? If I kill my turn, I just sacrifice myself. What? I won. I literally won. I task completed and I won. Dude, this was insane. I'm probably the best player. Oh, nah. I'm gonna get some VIP coins. Look like we're playing Fortnite. Yeah, look like Fortnite. Yep, Fortnite. Well, I won't go to the lobby. I want to go buy some weapons and grenades. What? This was weird.
You guys, this time I will play the game Stigma Hero Fight Clash, which in this game has a fighting strategy gameplay scene. Guys, you can enjoy many modes in this game, starting from 1 player, 2 players, team battle, survival, and even ranking mode, guys. Where in this game, there are lots of weapons with certain skills and also lots of maps that you can enjoy in this game, guys. Okay, guys.
What in the world is this on my screen? I literally just got a new weapon and just pulled this up in my screen.
Game against the computer with fun until win at 1:07 minutes after I managed to win the match. I am talking again about this game, and you can also invite your friends to be your opponents if you and your friends are connected to the same network, guys. And uniquely into player mode, you can enjoy this game with your friends with just one device, guys. And even more unique, you can enjoy this game without needing to use your data
There's
offline.
such a CEO. What? This
Carry
guy's
on.
such a CEO.
Let's go.
Why is he doing this? This guy's a CEO. Why am I flying right now? This game is crazy. Critical hit. Yo, spin attack. What? What are you playing, dude? That's not even.
Wait lang.
Got a new gun. So a new shotgun instead of a new sniper. Machine gun. Dude, there's a machine gun too. What? Start it. Alright, so I have a new automatic weapon. Damn team deathmatch. Let's go. We got a team deathmatch. You fought 300. What? Your new weapon? What is what? Ouch! I just have to still die with my team. Control's back. That's a sniper. Long shot. Got a double kill. Is that Freddy? What? Oh shoot. I got a 6 kill. Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun. I got a meal kill. Melee kill. I just got killed. This melee weapon is not good. Take 10 red. Ow! I just died with my timing. That's rough. Sniper. Okay, come go fast. Dude, guys, I just suddenly got low health. He's still sniping me. What? Long shot, bro. I don't know. I just died. You're dead. Oh, isn't it? Yeah, wasn't it? You can double jump. What do you mean? Double jump. What? Double jump? That jump button said right button. What? Dude! That enemy just got 2 shots. You'll kill me, bro. What do you mean, enemy? You're my enemy. Kyler. Come here, Kyler. I just 2-shot Kyler. Long shot. Still just long shot me again. Yes! Yes! We finally got the sniper, bro. pilot. I'm down. I just shot a flare and he smoked. Holy smokes, I got a long shot again. Boink. Yes, I got a first kill. Luppy! Did you say Luppy? Who's Luppy? That's an anime character. Oh, I just still died. Wait. What do you mean, wait? Why is my Titan green? I don't know. Did we poison it? You have a poison button? Poison my... I am insane. Oh no. I team one. That's all I know, and I'm gonna buy a weapon. That's all I know. What? I think we're just saying some random stuff, and your mouth is getting tired. I think we should better stop saying things. Yeah. We're not saying anymore. Let's unmute. Okay. Let's just breathe for a moment. That is not a breathe. Where did they go? Did you just play an app or something? Thanks so my boy. What? Why was it? What? Why was he my boy? Win that reward. I got a new weapon. Or did I just go? Oh, I'm back. My new weapon. Something's kind of broke. I just have to play one last round. That I'm gonna get that grenade launcher. You have to wait for part 2. Get that grenade. The juice one. No. Oh, this is a paper. Eliza just got downed. What? What do you mean? I just shot Eliza. Yes, a grenade monster. Eliza, come here. Ow. You're getting killed. What? How are you getting killed, dude? Maybe I'm not using my sniper. Dude, I just knocked that guy into the edge of the lava. I just go to the lava too. Did you just follow that man? I just got pushed. shots. Come here, Mabel. I just helped someone. Larry, come here. You've been messing with me. Alright, that thing's kind of broken. What do you think this sticker a rocket launcher, dude? My player team is just shooting. Yeah. Long shot, long shot. I'm killing player. I keep missing my shots. Ow. Why is there 2 players? Assist. Ow, I just got a rampage attack. What? Mabel, come here. Yes! Clutch. Kill Mabel. Yeah, boy, that's my boy. Ouch! I keep getting killed. That's bad luck. Maybe I'm good luck. Snipe. Long shot, boy. I got a double kill. I got a triple kill now. I got a triple kill. Slash. Nope. This is desire. Shoot! Good. Ow, I just took up those 2 kills and I died. I think we're winning right now. Yep, they have 31 and we have a 34. They have 30 and we decide. Yeah. Did you die, Kcastiel? Yep. You're the one. Ethan. Dude, they killed me, dude. Oh man. Dude, clutch. Marble, get out. Double kill. Dude, I just clutch. Dude. Never see a player like that. We have good luck. So I'm gonna get the rock launcher. It's gonna be insane. Alright guys, if I buy the rocket launcher, this video ends. Okay. Okay. You have to wait for part 2. There's a part 2 here. Yep. I'm teleporting to lava. Lover? I say lobby. He almost said lover. What is this game? I just go to Play Store while I played. It was fun. Ninja hands. What? I received gold. Open up. Just open up. I open up. Yes. just have to upgrade this to the machine gun. Yeah. What are you trading? Thanks. We should better try the sniper. The rocket launcher first. Let's try the rocket launcher first, okay? And we have to end this video. Let's see how good. Come here, Randy. This grenade launcher is sick. Will make me use the rocket launcher. This. Ow! They just ambushed me. What? They ambushed me? This one is stupid. I'm going to get now. I want to get him. Where's the gun? What did I just pick? What? You pick something? My gun is risky. And the shop is not risky. I guess not so grenade. Stay here. Ouch! Going down there. Guess it's kill someone in there. Double kill. What's this? That's nothing. I just broke. I think Kito broke the roof with a rocket. Boink! I just saw Kito behind me and he shot me with a grenade. Turret. Ouch! Boom. So let's just kill, I just killed someone while I died. Double kill. Triple kill. Oh, I just got it. Melee kill. This is crazy battle. Boom. If you enjoyed that video, please make it subscribe right now. How many shots I got? I got a headshot. Melee shot.